In this video, we're going to be talking about how Chadwick Boseman transformed his body to become the Black Panther.
My son, it is your time.
Show me my respect and bow down.
You get to decide what kind of king you are going to be. Don't freeze.
I never freeze.
What's up, guys? I hope you're having a great day, and if you're not, I hope this video will help your day get better. My name is Connor Irwin, and this is Athletic Assault, where we take superheroes and fitness to help you guys attack your dreams. Today, I wanted to talk about Chadwick Boseman and how he transformed his body to become Black Panther. Black Panther's coming out next week, and I could not be more excited. I think it's going to be one of the most unique MCU films to date, and I think also it will be a great film to lead into Infinity War, which is coming in May. I'm so excited for that as well. But let's talk Chadwick Boseman. I want to say this, Chadwick Boseman is pretty secretive about the actual nuts and bolts of his workouts, but there's a lot of stuff that we can infer from the way his body looks and the way that other superhero actors train. So Chadwick Boseman became the Black Panther in Civil War, Captain America Civil War, and he was fantastic. I loved him as Black Panther. I thought he made a great T'Challa, and I think he is going to be fantastic in the Black Panther movie. So he got very lean for that first appearance of Black Panther, got very muscular, but then right after filming Civil War, he started filming Marshall, where he lost a lot of weight for that role. And so sandwiched in between two roles of Black Panther was this moment where he had to dip in weight and then he had to come back up to become Black Panther and to get lean again. So I think a lot of what he did, one, I think his training was probably very similar to other superhero actors in the fact that he probably did the key lifts. I mean, we talk about this all the time on here. We talk, squats, deadlifts, bench press, pull-ups, shoulder press. He did those key lifts and he increased weight on those lifts. Now I think what is unique about what he did is that he wasn't going for bulk. He wasn't going for comic book muscle, as a lot of people call it, where you look at guys like Chris Hemsworth, Chris Evans, guys like that who really beefed up for their roles. They were eating a ton of calories. And so I think what's different about what Chadwick Boseman did for Black Panther is he wanted Black Panther to look very lean, very agile, like the character should look. And so I think for him, he did not eat as much as those guys. And so I think he had very similar workouts. I mean, obviously you're doing fight training, you got to train for those stunts. But then also, I think he ate a lot less than those guys. I think he still ate in a calorie surplus because if you're building muscle, you've got to be in a calorie surplus. But I don't think he was in as big of a calorie surplus as Chris Hemsworth, as Chris Evans, because he was trying to build lean muscle. He was trying to do a lean bulk, where you keep your calories very much in check. You're only coming a couple hundred calories over the maintenance calories that you need to maintain your body at what you're at right now. And so I think it's very interesting that he took that approach of, I want to be lean. He could have very easily been like, hey, like all these other guys, these surrounding guys. I mean, even across from him, Michael B. Jordan as Killmonger put on a ton of weight and a ton of muscle for the role of Killmonger. I'm actually working on a video for that, so make sure to watch out for that. And so even across from him, he saw guys that were huge, bulky dudes, and it would have been very easy for Chadwick to say, hey, I'm going to do that too. I'm going to really beef up. I'm going to be huge. I'm going to make sure that I am as big as these guys. but he saw what his role was as Black Panther, and Black Panther's very lean, very agile, very warrior type. And don't get me wrong, he put on some serious muscle for this role, and he looks fantastic. He's muscular, he's bigger, but he definitely did not get super bulky for this role. And so I think it's very interesting. I think a lot of that has to do with his diet of doing a lean bulk where he's only going a few hundred calories over maintenance, so that he's putting on muscle, but he's not putting on a lot of size and a lot of weight. He is putting on some size, but not to the amount of Chris Hemsworth or Chris Evans. I think another thing is that he did a lot of plyometric workouts. He again, I keep saying the word agile. He wanted to be agile. He wanted to look, feel, move like Black Panther, and so he did a bunch of plyometric workouts. And what plyometric workouts are basically anything that gets you in the air or off the ground. Those are plyometric workouts. Like, for example, box jumps is a plyometric workout. And so I think it's very interesting that he threw those in the mix. I mean, also that's going to be a lot of cardiovascular. It's going to help with his endurance on his lifts because it's going to build that cardiovascular health, but it's going to make him more agile. It's going to make him able to do those stunts, those fight scenes. He's going to be more flexible. He's going to become a lean, mean, flexible machine where he looks, he feels like Black Panther. And I don't know if you guys feel the same way. I would love to hear your thoughts on Chadwick Boseman as Black Panther in the comment section. Because for me, I think he looks, I think he feels, I think he talks like Black Panther, and I love that. Guys, I'm also working on a video comparing Chadwick Boseman's workout with Chris Evans' workout for Winter Soldier, because I think they did some very similar things. Chris Evans added a lot of things that I think Chadwick added into this Black Panther role. So make sure to subscribe to get that video. That will be coming in the next week. Guys, that is it for this video. I hope, again, that you guys are having a better day now that you've watched this video. If you are having a better day, please hit that like button. I would love to hear from you guys. How do you like Chadwick Boseman as Black Panther? And if you haven't already, I would love for you to subscribe to this channel because, again, we are trying to connect superheroes and fitness to help you guys attack your dreams. That is it, heroes. I will catch you in the next video. Later, heroes.